Hello and welcome back. So in this video I will discuss about a small programming problem statement. So this problem statement is, let's say you have a list of numbers, or we can say list of doubles, and we want to find out the number of the occurrence of each number in a list or in a tuple. Then how we can easily identify the number of the occurrence of each character, or we can say each number in a list or in a tuple. So one way is use a list, iterate over list, find out the number of the occurrence of each character, and whenever a character occurs, then increment its count by 1. And to store this information, use a dictionary. So let's follow this approach and try to solve this problem statement with the help of this approach. Or another way is we can use collection.Counter class. So collection.Counter class has provided a class. With the help of this class, we can find out the number of the occurrence of each character or each element in a list or in a tuple or anything which is iteratable, right? So let's find out this. So first we will do with the simple approach. So what I will do, just to store the information, I have used count dictionary. Now what I will do, I will iterate over my let's say list, and here I store the information like this: count of dictionary of I is equal to count dict, this is get I and 0, and increment it by +1. So here it is. So as you can see that 1 occurred 3 times, 2 occurred 3 times, 23 occurs 1 time, 34, 3, 1, and this. So this is my, as you can see, this is my 1, 2. Okay, so 1 occurs, so in a list 1 occurred my 3 times, then 2 occurs my 3 times. So that's it. So this is a simple approach, and the same things I can also apply for my tuple also. Okay, if I go with this count of dictionary, so here you can see that I'm getting, so I got the number of the occurrence of each character. So what this statement does, so here what I will do, here I'm doing assignment of assigning a value to a particular key. So here count dict.get method try to get a value for, let's say, key here key is 1, and if doesn't exist, then it returns a default value as 0. So in this way I have I have calculated the number of the occurrence of each character, or we can say each number in my list. Now how can I do with the help of collections dot. So what I will do here, I need to do for import collections, or no, my, so this is way from collections import counter. Alright, so if I say this is counter of my lst, okay, if I say counter of my tuple, here it is. So you can see easily that for a list, so I can easily find out the number of the occurrence of each character by collection.Counter class. So here it is, 1 occurred 3 times, 2 occurred 3 times, 23, 34, and all this. So this is a simple way. So in programming logic, what So according to programming fundamentals, it says that instead of creating the wheel, use a wheel. So instead of applying my logic, it's better to use the existing class or existing model. So if you find out if you face this kind of programming problem statement, so go with the collection.Counter module. Okay, so that's it. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.